free. Today we will start the next lesson in your English literature book, that is The Golden Bird. Okay, so everyone open your books to The Golden Bird. Today's date is the 9th and let us start this lesson. Okay, so everyone open your English literature book to the lesson The Golden Bird and let us start. There was once a king who had a golden bird in a golden cage. Every day, someone in the palace gave her food and water and groomed her fine yellow feathers. Okay, so there was once a king, okay, who had a golden bird, okay, a bird that was golden in color and it was in a golden cage, okay, and every day someone or the other in the palace would give this bird food, would give water to the bird and groomed her yellow feathers, meaning groomed meaning brushed and cleaned, okay, brushed and cleaned the yellow feathers of the bird. And each day the bird sang for the king, and every day this bird would sing for the king, okay. But as time passed, the king began to feel sorry for the bird. It is not right, he thought, to hold a bird in a cage. So as the time passed, okay, as the time passed, the king began to feel sorry for this bird, and the king felt that it is not right to keep a bird in the cage, to hold the bird like this in the cage. It is not right, okay. So we have seen the word meanings over here in this slide. The word meaning groomed. Groomed means brushed and cleaned, okay. Fine meaning very soft, thin and small, okay. Fine meaning soft, thin and small. So I hope this is clear to you. Alright, let us go to the next slide. So the king has taught that it is not right to keep the bird in the cage, isn't it? So he told the men to set her free. So he told his men to set the bird free, to give freedom to the bird. The men took the cage deep into the jungle, set it down, opened the door and went away. So the men took the cage into the jungle, put it down, okay, and opened the door of the cage and went away. The men did this to let the bird come out of the cage, okay. So what happened? The golden bird hopped out. So when they opened the cage and they left it over there, the golden bird hopped out. She looked around her. She looked all around, okay, and she was hungry. She looked all around and she was hungry. She came out of the cage, she looked around and she was hungry. After a while, she saw a monkey swinging from a tree. So after some time, she saw that a monkey was swinging from a tree. Okay, we will do this much today. So what have we learned today? We have seen that the king had a golden bird. This golden bird was taken care of in his palace, and this golden bird used to sing for him. But he felt sorry for the bird. Felt sorry meaning, you know, to feel sad. To feel sad about. He felt sorry for the bird and he wanted to set her free. So he told his men to set her free. The men took the cage to the jungle, put it down over there, opened the door and went away. Then the bird came out of the cage. She looked around and she was hungry. After a while, she saw that a monkey was swinging from a tree. We will do this much today. Alright. I hope this much is clear to you. We will continue what happens next in the next class. Okay. So let us come to the word meanings that we have learned today. Some difficult word meanings are given to you. You have to write them in your English literature copy. You will learn the word meanings well. First one, groomed, meaning brushed and cleaned. Fine, very soft, thin and small. Feel sorry for, feel sad about. Set her free, meaning let her out of the cage so that she would go wherever she wanted. Okay. I hope the word meanings are clear to you. Okay students, thank you. This much we will study today. Okay, you read whatever I have taught you today. The link is there below my video. You read whatever I have taught you today. You learn it nicely and you write the word meanings in your English literature copy and learn the word meanings also well. We will continue with the chapter in the next class. Thank you students and God bless you.